My name's Owen. I'm in 3rd grade. I love sea creatures. Won't you join me in my submarine? Hello, this is episode 8 and today I want to talk about coral. Let's go! They're tiny organisms kind of like jellyfish. When they find a place that they like, they build a rocky shell around themselves. At night, the coral reach out. When they feel something that they want to eat, they shoot the radula at it, which is a harpoon-like thing. When coral gets old enough, it splits off into a new polyp. When that polyp makes its own rocky shells, it's sometimes on top of its parents, and when there's enough rocky shells, they form beautiful shapes. Coral has a bacteria that likes to live on its shell that can give it all the colors of the rainbow. Whole giant forests of coral shapes can appear called a reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the biggest reef in the world. You can see it from space. Let's talk ecology. Coral reefs are critical for the environment. Coral makes homes for lots of different sea creatures. I hope you'll join me for more adventures in my submarine. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!
The Boy in the Submarine was created by Owen Rideout. Co-written by Brian Rideout and Owen Rideout. Directed by Brian Rideout and performed by Owen Rideout. It was produced by Stormhead Productions and is copyright 2024 Owen Rideout. This episode of Boy in the Submarine included sound and music from Pixabay. For more information, visit boyinthesubmarine.stormheadproductions.ca. Thank you for listening.